Alright, what's going on today, you guys? Just gonna be doing some maintenance on the G35 today. This thing needs an oil change pretty bad. It's been about 4,000 kilometers, so I like to do it about every 4,000 or 5,000. And replaced both headlights last year, and what do you know, they both burnt out at the same time, so we're gonna be showing you guys how to change the headlights today too. Anyway, stay tuned. Hope you guys learned something. Be a pretty short but good video. And yeah, we already got this thing up on ramps, as you guys can see. So let's just get under there and get this oil out of there. Alright, so we got the new oil in, drain the old oil out obviously, and now we're going to be taking the wheels off so we can get at these headlights and change the, not the running lights, they're the actual headlights. So get these wheels off and I'll show you guys what to do here. Up here, this cap is, I have aftermarket headlights, but it's the same on the stock lights too. This cap just twists off. I had her going. Oh yeah, I already had it popped off. There we go. And then behind there, you can, the camera will focus, you can see this is the ballast. And then this will twist out too. Twist out like this. Somehow. Like that. You got your ballast out. And then in there, in that hole, if we can get the camera to focus there, there's a clip. Nice metal clip right here. You pretty much squeeze that in, it'll come off, and then you'll be able to get your headlight out. And then we'll show you guys the new headlights we're putting in. We'll get this new headlight in. This is the old light. This one was still kind of working. I think the other one's completely burnt out. So, change this one first, and we'll go to the other side. Alright, so this is our new light. You can get it in here. It's really important you don't touch the bulb at all, or else the light won't work. It'll short out right away from the grease on your fingers. So try and get this in here as carefully as possible and get that clip back on, put our ballast back on, put the cap back on, and then this side will be done. So let's see if I can do this. All back together. So, I'm not quite sure where we left off with this video, but there's no sense in us really filming the other side because it's pretty much the same thing as the driver's side that we just did there. But I just want to take a second while I'm doing this video to talk about something near and dear to my heart, and that is this thing right here. This is my beloved Grand Prix GXP. Now, I don't know if you guys have been following, probably have, but you know I rescued this thing. It's going to the scrap yard, and put a lot of time and money into this thing, but sadly it's time to move on to better things. I just listed this thing for sale. I'm looking for $5,500. I don't know, maybe any of you guys are interested, or trade for something I can tow my other car with, because I'd like to track that car honestly and give you some more excitement for the channel and do something pretty crazy. But it pains me to get rid of this thing after everything that I've done. You know, we've got, I don't know, almost $6 grand in this car. We did a video on everything we've done to this thing, and it's been a long way, and it's been an awesome car, but it's time to move on. And yeah, I just want to take a second in this video to talk about this for a second, and I hope you guys don't unsubscribe because we're getting rid of this thing, because it's only greater things to come. And you know, maybe we'll get another one day, because I really do like this car, and I'm in no rush to sell it, so who knows, I may even keep it. But I just want to take a second and show you guys maybe one final view of the GXP. We're going to have to do a closer video on everything we've done and talking about this thing a little bit more. But that'll be to come. I'm sorry the wind's kicking up here. I'm just going to cut this video off here. So please hit that subscribe button, because there's going to be more to come. And definitely maybe crazier things to come to the channel. But it's going to be it for today, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.